Yo, at the first, me sit down for a morning, my back hurt me now. I've been cooking all day, so I never get to take no footage of nowhere. Look how out there look. Yep. That's what happened in camp. Guys, you wish you were here. Toodaloo.
Keep Shannon and our team doing a competition. I don't know. Something like basketball. Yes. Shannon in the blue walking down the field with her hand on her Kimber. Well, she's running now. Let's see if she makes a shot. Oh, or she's defending. The rebound, Shannon, the rebound. Or no. Tying her lace. Hopefully she gets up in time. Yeah, she's up. Walking and not running down the... Well, she's running now. She's running now. And she is lagging behind. Clapping, cheering her team on. Go get it, girl. Yes. Defend that ball, Shannon. Get aggressive. Yes, defend. Oh my God. Ladies and gentlemen, Shannon has the ball. Well, for a second. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Shannon signing off. Alright, and here we have the big team with Josh the Real. Okay. I would catch the game when it's a wrap. Wow. Wow. But I can bet Josh for one. No doubt. Oh, they play again. It's best 2 out of 3. Oh. So there's Jade too. Okay. I didn't know Joshua and Jade were on the same team. Okay. Alright, so peep Jade too, if you can see her. She's so shorty. Let me see. There she is. In the gray top. Alright, so that's the team you guys rooting for. Haha.
I'm not gonna lie to you, I was talking to Tucker. If Brian didn't call it, don't do it. Play ball. You still me. No, it's alright. Come on, man. You're the only real athlete out here, and you out here acting a fool. I'm so confused. Oh, my God. Hey, I got a person. What happened to him? What happened to her? What happened to her? To who? Come on. No. Like he had asked what, like, he really went to the same school. He goes to Nova playing soccer. Go. It hurt. Wait, that's you. All right, go. He got it. Ow.
Not bad.
Watch out.
I want you to put your hands together and welcome him tonight to the court. Good job. Last time for Joe.
Amen. Do me a favor before you have a seat. Give somebody a high five and thank God is here today. Yes. What a privilege it is to be here on our second night. How many of you guys had fun today? Yeah? You guys are doing all right today? Good, good. How many of you guys have connected with somebody you didn't know before you got here already? Yeah? Awesome, awesome. That's the idea. How many of you guys have already received something from God today? Yes? Some of you guys. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Now the best part is that there's still more.
For the first time in a long while. Say hi to your youths, peoples. Give them some eye contact, bruh.
Bye.
He's still mean.
Oh no, sister.
The big counselor in the building. Big counselor Kadi. Hustling water. I think all important.
You know, Joseph was no bum. The Bible says that the lady was checking him out. It says he was checking out his eyes, his hair, his abs, his biceps, his perfectly carved back. So she was checking him out. She didn't care she was married. I mean, listen, have you ever seen these beautiful women that are married to very ugly, very powerful men? You can interpret that however you want, but you know it's the truth. These beautiful women married to some ugly guy, right? Oh my God! And we're like, what is she doing here? Now, this good-looking, sexy guy, you know. Now he was good-looking. He was good-looking. He was fit. He was fit. Follow standards. It's very hard if you don't trust the person that's giving them to you. So the question tonight is, even if you do not understand, will you still trust? Even if you do not understand, will you still trust? And God says it very clearly. I don't want sacrifices. All I want is your obedience. Because I know what's on the other side. You don't. You think you do. But you don't. He says, all I want is your obedience. I don't want your sacrifices. I want your obedience. Joseph was successful because he held himself. A ship?
Yes. Big shifting, you know? Big shifting. Nada, ganamos check big shifting.
So all this week I was working in Brooksville, Florida with my young people. I didn't get to vlog much because it was really hectic. It was busy. As you can see, we're at the campsite right now. And I promise you guys, it's the biggest thing I've done thus far. The biggest thing I've done thus far. We had 220 people, and we pretty much had to cater to them all week. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock, you know, and then going to bed pretty much after 12 after I done prep. It was a lot. It was a lot. But you know what? I'm happy. Tired, I'm really tired. But I'm happy because I got the chance to do some things that I've never done. Got the chance to push myself to limits that I've never thought of pushing myself to. And got the chance to go up on the road with my young people, them, especially those from my church, and to do the best we can, you know. So once again, that's my week. Not much, as I said, by way of vlogging, you know. Pretty much is get up, do the work, repeat. Get up, do the work, repeat. We're in the kitchen 24 hours almost, because we pretty much rooms are in the kitchen. Our rooms are in the kitchen. But yeah, beautiful place in Brooksville, Florida. Church of God of Prophecy campgrounds. It's called Camp Sunshine. And it's just pretty much, you know, all of things, all of buildings in a cutout area. So once again, just giving you a view of what's going on. I love that cross in the background there. And that's the fire pit where they do bonfires and the woods. This area over here is the junior chapel. That's the cafeteria right there, the other building there. And way down behind, past the dump stand over there, is the boys' dorm, where you see those lights. This is the canteen. Over there is the girls' dorm, and then there's another set of dorms further along. Over here is the pool. And because there's kids on the camp, junior kids and senior kids, they must have the pool have a fencing. And then I'm going to give you a walk along of the property really, really quick. So let me show you all the pool quickly. So there's the pool area. Yeah. Nice size pool. And from the pool, we're looking at the place in the middle by the basketball court is the pastor's area, the manse. Then there's a chapel that's way down in the background there, and the two dorms that are there. So we just pretty much show you an expanse, give you a little walkthrough. And then we have woods over here, power plant, and yeah, now the kids are preparing for drama presentation later, so everybody dressing up in sheet and all sort of something. Yeah, so nice place, 4.5 hours away from where I live, but yeah, I have to do what we can do. So here's the chapel, side view of course. I wanted to see, you to see the front of it real quick. We have the caretaker's residence over that side, so that's been generally off limits, and these people live here around the clock. And that's the garage, and this is the car park, and all of this here. I wanted to see the front of the property real quick. As I said, I did not get to vlog most of the time in the cafeteria because I was actually working. So, and this is the most peaceful side of the place. Most of the kids don't come around the chapel. They will always enter from the back. So I like this area. because it's peaceful. And yeah, just really nice. And that's the outside to Dunhill Road, outside of the property. And we're going back to the boys down over here. That's the playing field way over in the back there. And that's just a container. Yeah, see? So this is the entire area. The take on this is basically you have to just find something to give back. Find some way in which you can make a difference, you know, in your world, in your neck of the woods. Don't just live your life and think, okay, I'm living my life for myself. And by living my life for myself, I'm going to please myself. I'm going to make myself comfortable, and then that's going to be pleasure and that's going to be joy. A lot of people who spend a lot of time living for themselves and doing their own thing, still not happy. I promise you guys, I've never been this tired before. Never. It's like I'm walking on my heel bone, the way I'm stand up long. And I just decided I'm going to take the time out and do this vlog. But the satisfaction of seeing young people come to you and say, food tastes good. The satisfaction of knowing that you bless somebody and make somebody feel happy is worth it. Worth it. Yeah, and no vanity to my thing. You know, just being real about the servitude. You know, if you believe in a God and if you don't believe in a God, you still can give back to your fellow man and you still can create a difference. The impact that you make in a life today, you'll be surprised to know tomorrow. Way down in the future when you think, say, boy, them forget. Them a call you back and say, yo, Sendtohope, you remember when you had cooked at camp? I mean, I've seen kids come up to me and say, yo, Sendtohope, you're not being our counselor this year? Aren't you being our counselor? I'm like, no, I'm in the kitchen. No, Sendtohope, you always win. You always make our team win, daddy. You know, and that feel good because you think, say, you're not doing enough. You think, say, you're not fulfilling, you know, rare, but you're doing enough. You're doing a lot. So, may I show you inside of the chapel next. And then, I'm gonna log off. Yeah. Because I got stuff to do. I got to go clean up the kitchen and finish up working and stuff. Some of the meatless dish the people them love. Them love the meatless potatoes. I made guacamole. I made stewed curry chicken. Did a lot. Yeah. I'm showing the inside of the chapel. What's up? Joshua, how you doing? You're winning? Oh Lord, Joshua not winning. Yeah, so this is the chapel. Everybody getting ready for drama this evening. Yep.
God loves you. Jesus loves you. It's said in John 3:19. God is our mother.
These men are God or Most High. These men are servants of God or Most High. They will show us the
Here, my three younger sons. There with Saul and the Israelites fighting. The Philistines.
Dr. Jim to come and close for us. Regional Executive Director has been here, and he's been working hard in the kitchen, and has been a full be with us at the youth camp. So we're asking to close for us.
Take the hand of the person next to you and stretch across the aisle. Let's stand as one before the Lord, shall we? Okay, are you ready? Let's commit this to the Lord. You know, there are things that you do in life and then you have to seal it. Let's seal it. Let's seal it. Father, you've given us a good word this week. Every night you challenge our spirits. Every night you've revealed what was in your heart. And every night you've asked us, Lord, to give it permission to happen in our lives. Father, I pray for every young person, every man and woman. I pray that every individual in this place will act upon and seal this presence of the Holy Spirit in their heart and life. Yes. God, may we go forth knowing that we have given permission for you to do whatever you want to and need to do. If you have to course correct, or if you have to admonish, or if you have to encourage. Father, whatever it is, we accept from you our dealings. And we thank you so much for the power of your presence in this place. Father, may our rest be sweet tonight and full. And Lord, may our travel be safe. Bring us back together once again on another day. In Christ's name. Amen.
Amen.
Well, that's because I had such a great teacher. I followed what he said. They gave up their, you know what nurses, how much an hour nurses make?
$40.
Maybe $70, $75 an hour.
Yes.
They gave up those time to be with you guys. The sacrifice. Can we welcome Sister Lisa and Paula and Sister Janet?